Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Beats Fit Pro Kim Kardashian edition. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $200. Now this is going to be a really short video. I already did a full review for the Beats Fit Pros. I'll leave a link for that right here. But if you haven't seen that video, the Beats Fit Pros are probably my favorite earbuds for the gym. Now, on a side note, I am going to do my top 5 gym earbuds video tomorrow, but I wanted to test out the Sennheiser X10s and the Sennheiser Sports First. But trust me when I tell you, the Beats Fit Pros are probably going to be number 1. Now, I know what some of y'all getting ready to say. What's the difference between the original Beats Fit Pros and the Kim Kardashians? Well, now you got 3 new color choices. Okay? Other than that, same look. Same battery life, same spatial audio, same active noise cancellation, same transparency mode, but most importantly, the same fit. Okay, now if y'all watch my full review, these passed the ludicrous shakeage test. Okay, these will not fall out. That's why these are probably still my number 1 earbuds for the gym. Okay, let's get right into this. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. Back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes.
I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, now before we unbox these, let's take a look at the behind the scenes video featuring Kim Kardashian.
My collaboration with Beats came about when I found the Beats Fit Pro and I would wear them and it was a game changer. And I thought to myself, well, wouldn't that be cool if I could find headphones that were color painted in more neutral tones? Since you're wearing something every day, I wanted them to be able to blend in. And I've never seen any tech products, especially headphones, be in neutral colors. I found an artist that would paint the headphones, and then I thought, okay, well, why wouldn't I just go directly to Beats and show them some of the samples that I was just for fun creating? They didn't have a product out there like that before. I was just bringing my creative concept and my color palette to a brand that I've always respected and loved. And when we reached out, I mean, they understood the vision right away. There's nothing better and more gratifying than seeing a final product and it being exactly what you envisioned. I think I would just want people to understand that this is also a fashion accessory that's usable and user-friendly, and it doesn't have to be anything loud. It just can blend in with what you're wearing. It's kind of a statement. Whether it's music or your conversations or work life and you're running around and you have your Fit Pros in, I just feel like life is so crazy, everything else should be really simple.
All right, so you've seen the video for yourself. Shout out to Kim Kardashian, looking beautiful as ever. But basically, these are a set of Beats Fit Pros in 3 new colors. Now, the 3 colors are Moon, Dune, and Earth. These are the Earth. Now, as far as the presentation, you got a nice soft box. Y'all know I like that. Giggity. You got Beats X Kim on the top. Okay, let's get and pop these open. Inside, we got a little card. Okay, Beats X Kim. Now, let me try to read this without my glasses on. Introducing the earbuds that look as good as they sound. Selected especially for you. The new Beats Fit Pro collection with Kim Kardashian features neutral color tones and a secure fit wingtip for all-day comfort. The new Beats team. Okay, I like that. That's a nice little touch right there. Here's the box. Another box inside of that box. Now, this is all earth color tones. Okay, I like that. And here we go. Inside, these are going to be your earbuds. Let's see what else you get. Now, of course, this is an Apple product, so of course you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and follow them. Little Beats Kim branding right there. Okay. Let's see. No troll stickers with these. Nope. Just your usual books and shit. That's about it. And of course you got your, now let's see. We got to make sure nowadays with Apple, you know. Okay, so you got your charging cable. This is going to be, let's see, make sure. Anger levels increasing. Frustration building. Okay, there it is. You got USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Okay, little short cable right there. And of course, you got some different size ear tips that come in these earth color tones. Other than that, again, everything is exactly the same. So make sure y'all watch my Beats Fit Pro real review so you can get the full scoop on these. You get my karaoke singing. You get the ludicrous head shake test. I like these though. Now, I know what some of y'all gonna say too. Why the 3 new colors? Well, personally, you gotta remember, a lot of Apple products are fashion accessories. Okay, so you wanna rock these all day at work. My opinion is, these will look better with your skin tone, depending on your skin tone. If you could find one that's pretty close. You don't wanna be at work, even though these have great transparency mode, you can wear them at work, but you don't wanna be wearing earbuds at work that are purple or red. Or even the AirPod Pros, white earbuds. You ever had a conversation with somebody and they got on earbuds? It just feels awkward, like you're talking to somebody who's not really listening to you. With these, if you got on one earbud, okay, it's gonna blend into your skin tone. Matter of fact, let me put one of these on real quick and I'll show you how they look on me. All right, so check this out. Look how good these match with my skin tone. These will be perfect for wearing at work when I wanna listen to music, but I don't want everybody to know that I'm listening to music, or I wanna talk on the phone, and I want to wear one earbud and be on some clandestine kind of shit. These are perfect. Perfect match. Anyway, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Beats Fit Pro Kim Kardashian edition. Okay, if you're into Kim Kardashian, if you're into Apple products, or if you just want the best fitting earbuds for the gym, you need to check these out. Fellas, buy these for your girl. She's going to love these. Anyway, Beats Fit Pros Kim Kardashian editions. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss about deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Captain, Enterprise out.
Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.